In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload photos in Zoho projects. To get started, make sure you are already inside the correct project in Zoho projects. The photo upload process happens within a specific task, so the first thing you need to do is open the task where you want the image to live. Find the task in your task list or board view, then click directly on that task to open its details. You should now be in the task's details view, where you can see information like the description, status, and any related activity. Next, look for the attachments area. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a section labeled attachments or as an attachment icon within the task details. This is the place where Zoho Projects stores files related to that task, including photos. Take a moment to confirm you are still inside the correct task before you upload, because attachments are saved to the specific task you are viewing. Once you have found the attachments section, you are ready to add your photo. Click the option that says Attach Files. This will open a file browser window on your computer. From there, navigate to the folder where your photo is saved. Select the image file you want to upload, and then confirm the selection to begin uploading. Wait for the upload to finish before leaving the task, so the file saves properly. As an alternative, you can use drag and drop, which is often faster. Keep the task details view open, locate the photo file on your computer, then click and drag it into the task's attachment window or attachments area. When you drop it there, Zoho Projects will start uploading the file automatically. Make sure you drop the file directly into the attachment area so it is recognized correctly. After the upload completes, your photo should appear in the attachments list for that task, making it easy for your team to view or download. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.